Hello everybody, it's Hallie, your favorite girl. I know I've been gone for a minute. I just didn't know what to do anymore on my channel, you know. But I think this is what I need to be doing, so I'm gonna be coming with some inspirational stuff, some maybe what do they call them, reviews, unboxing, which is what I'm doing today. I'm unboxing Fenty Savage. I think that's what it's called. Whatever it's called, it's Rihanna, my girl. You know I love her from a long time. Anyways, I just got it in the mail today. I ordered it February 25th and I received it March 5th, which is today. I don't know when you'll see it, maybe tomorrow. So I received it March 5th. Pretty awesome. I just got regular shipping. I joined this program what she has called Extra VIP, so I got like 2 bras for $29, so I ordered 4. I don't know if I'm gonna stay in that VIP program because I think it takes like $45 every month. You can use it as credit towards your purchase, or it will roll over to the next month. But I don't know if I want to do that because I don't be treating myself like that. But I purposely bought it because I'm like, you know, I never buy myself anything. So something said, treat yourself and don't cheat yourself. So that's what I did. I just washed my hair, so forgive me if I look crazy. Alright. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing. So this is the box that it came in. Yeah. It's a nice little pink box. And if you see me squinting, it's because I have something called keratoconus. Even with my glasses, I can't see that clear. So don't tell me to get no glasses, because I got them right there. I just don't feel like wearing them. Okay, so this is, I'm not sure if you can see, but this is how the unboxing came. I hope you see it. Alright, 2 things fell out. Let's see what this is. Okay, so this is my order, what I ordered, and this is 30-day fit guarantee. So if you're not completely happy with your purchase, you have 30 days to return. I hope you can see this because I don't have a monitor, but that's the 30-day guarantee promise. So in this I ordered, you can go on her website. I'll link it in the description box below. I ordered the floral mesh lace bra and the butterfly demi cup bra, metallic lace V bralette, and a lined cinch bralette. They gave me some XP cinching membership insert. I don't know what the hell that is. Oh, this must be it. The extra VIP insert. Yes, about to be my Fenty sexy girl bras. Oh gosh, don't pay me no mind. Okay. Alright, so I get 25% off and ting. Alright, so I don't know if you can see. Let me try to do my best to unbox. So this must be the bralette. So they come nicely packaged. Let me see if I can show it to you better. I don't know if you can see, but it comes nicely packaged in this thing. I ordered some everyday bras. Well, not everyday. You know me. Okay, so the first one, I don't know if I'm going to try them on. I might try them on, but I'm a fat girl and I'm not trying to have y'all see my body. You know, my jelly rolls and all of that. All of them things and excitement. You know? Because the internet can be very mean. I'm a 42C. So I'm going to see how this fit me. And then, but this is the first one. This is one of the bralettes. I think the color is so pretty. Do you think it looks good against my skin or no? Okay, so that's one. Alright. This is another one. This ain't the one I wanted, but I know it's gonna make my titties look good or whatever. But I had wanted another one. I forgot the other one that it looked like, but it's on the website. It's other style to this one, but I guess they don't carry it in my size or whatever, so I just got this one or whatever. I'm gonna try it on, you know. If I don't like it when I try it on, I'm not gonna show you. If I don't like how I look at it, I'm not gonna show you. But if I do, I'll show you. Try my best to show you the top part. Alright. So this is this is a lace bra. I don't really wear lace, but I'm gonna wear it today. Okay. Okay. Alright, so this is just imagine, you know, my titties is in here, you know, yes, okay, yes. Yeah, I like padded bras, but we'll see, because, you know, I don't have much titties, so we give my titties some titties. You feel me, girl? Okay. But I'm going to try some lace, okay, because I might love them. I might love them, alright? And I got that bra because, you know, sometimes I feel like it's close to my complexion. Okay, you know, sometimes you be wearing some clothes and your bra starts showing it. You don't want to, you know. Okay, so this one is the other one. I don't remember, this is a bralette? I don't think so. Whatever it is, it's cute. Okay, so this is the lace bra. I seen some back fat back there. Don't think I really, maybe I should have got a larger size, but I think it fits very comfortable. It's not tight, very comfortable. I think maybe it's just me and my fat self, but it's okay. I'm fat and I'm okay with it. But I do intend to lose some weight, so when I do my little month weight loss check-in, we'll see how this bra fits. Remind me if you're actually interested in wanting to know, because I might forget to do that video, but yeah. So I want to talk about my first impression of the bras. I think that they're well made. They're very nice. The quality is nice. It has a nice stretchy, breathable fabric to it. It's comfortable. Riri, you looked out. Robin, because we real friends in real life. Not really. You did your thing with this. Okay, girl? I'm proud of you. And I love this labeling. And, well, basically, if you want to return it, that 30-day guarantee, these tags have to still be on. So you can't return it without them, alright? And this is the care instructions. The care instructions and the size. I am on a 42C. I don't know. I don't think I want to go larger because, I mean, these things fit my boobs right. You know? So yeah, that's that bra. The bralette, the pink one, it's a little tight. Okay. I should have went a size larger, you know. Should have went a size larger. This bralette was nice as well. It was comfortable. I just love the fact that it's like breathable, you know. She did us some justice here. This is the bra. And then I love this bra. I didn't think I would love a bra without a cup, but it made my titties sit right. Well, to me, my titties sit right. I don't care if you didn't like my cleavage, because I loved it. Alright? So, yeah. But I think it's more me that I need to work on my back fat. I did see some back fat in one of these bras, but for the most part, the other bras covered my back fat, which is really a personal problem because ain't nobody telling me I have no back fat. But so, yeah. So, thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions or you want to follow me on social media, my Snapchat is HowLovely425, my Instagram is HowLovely425, and my online store is Glamorize My Life, and the Glamorize is spelled with a Z. I will link all of that in the description box below. If there's any other videos that you are interested in me doing, I give the best advice. So if you feel like you want to send me some things, you know, you can do that for advice or whatever. So I'm here for you, dolls. Love ya. Later. Bye.